If you've ever tried moving a single vertex in Blender and watched your model stretch into a weird spike, you're not alone. That little pinching effect can make a mesh look blocky, broken, or totally ruined in just a second. The good news is that Blender has a super simple fix, and once you learn it, you'll be able to warp and shape your model smoothly without destroying the surrounding geometry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in the easiest way possible. And if this kind of Blender tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you're in edit mode and select the vertex or dot that you want to move. Right now, if you press G and drag it around, you'll notice that it pulls away by itself, almost like a needle stretching out from the model. That happens because only one point is being moved, while everything around it stays in place. This is exactly what makes the shape look sharp and unnatural. Now here's the one-click fix. On your keyboard, press O. That's the letter O, not the number 0. As soon as you press it, you should notice a small blue icon light up at the top of your Blender screen. That means proportional editing is turned on. This is the feature that lets Blender move nearby vertices along with the one you selected, so your edits blend smoothly into the rest of the mesh. Now press G again to move the vertex. You'll see a large grey circle appear around your mouse. This circle is the influence area, and it tells Blender how far the movement should spread. Instead of just dragging one point, Blender now affects the surrounding geometry too, which gives you a much softer and more natural result. The next thing you need to know is how to control the size of that circle. While you're moving the vertex, scroll your mouse wheel up or down. Scrolling changes the radius of the proportional editing area. If the circle is too small, only the nearby vertices will move, which is good for fine details. If the circle is bigger, Blender will move more of the model at once, which is perfect when you want to reshape a larger area smoothly. Think of it like working with clay or dough. A small circle is like pinching one tiny spot. A large circle is like pressing into a whole section of the surface and reshaping it gradually. That's what makes proportional editing so powerful. It keeps your model from looking jagged while still giving you full control over the form. So if you want to warp your model without ruining it, the workflow is simple. Select the vertex, press O to enable proportional editing, press G to move it, and use the mouse wheels to adjust the influence size until it looks right. Once you get used to this, you'll be able to sculpt cleaner shapes, smooth out awkward areas, and make much more professional looking edits in Blender. If this video saved your model from looking like a mess, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials, beginner tips, and fast workflow tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.